So, now let's move on to the workflow of our community.
First and foremost, we need to fill the registration form. Afterwards, we need to join the Telegram channel. Then, let's see how we'll be using A2OJ, Codeforces, and StopStalk together. Open A2 Online Judge website. Log into your account. After logging in, the website looks like this. Click on the ladders button in red color on the top pane. You'll be redirected to a window. The window looks like this. There are many options. These different options show different ratings on Codeforces. Select the rating that belongs to you. In my case, it's below 1300, so I select this option. I'm redirected to this page. Here are all the problems which I need to solve in order to cross this level. We get this option called as Leave Ladder. It is because I have already joined the ladder. In case you haven't joined the ladder, you will be seeing an option called as Join Ladder. Click on that option to join the ladder. Now start solving the problems. In order to solve the problem, click on the problem and you will be redirected to the problem page on Codeforces. This is how the problem page looks like. Now you can see the problem. Solve the problem. Now, in order to solve more problems, go back to the A2 Online Judge website. Choose another problem and solve it. You have to solve all your daily tasks in such a fashion. Now, let's move on to the StopStalk profile in order to update our submissions. This is how the StopStalk profile page looks like. In order to update all your submissions, you have to click on this blue button. If you don't click this, I won't get the details of your submissions and you might lose the game.